Aiming down the field here at 7:30 on Wednesday evening, and we've just have a new calf just arrived today. There's our new arrival. He's about 5 or 6 hours old, and he is out of that cow over there. And I'll just tell you a story. We don't normally have cows calving this time of year. It's not a particularly good time for them to calve, but my mother used to say any day a cow calves it's a good day. Yeah, and she's probably right to a point, and that's years ago. But now we try to have the cows all calving in batches and in springtime. But she was a cow that was getting hard to go and calf, and we had a bull calf, he's about a year old, that we're keeping for our own deep freeze. And 9 months ago, it was in September, it just happened to be we were away that day at a local man's funeral, our neighbour's funeral, and the bull broke out in with the cows, and she was in heat, and he impregnated her. So with the result, now we have a bull calf today, a Frisian bull calf. He's not purebred or anything, but look at the cow has a very, very big bag of milk, so she'll bring her into the parlour and she will milk and supply plenty of milk for the rest of the summer. So that's the story about that little calf. Our main cows won't be calving until January. Good afternoon, Eamon here down in Carlow in the Dolmond Hotel at a dance competition. Fintan has been competing in a dance competition for people with special needs with his dance school Barn Door in Bracklin in Dolban. And see, it's an absolute beautiful day. We're just outside the hotel here now, and there's a beautiful river there in the background there. You should be able to pick it up. I think it's the Dolmond River in Carlow. Yeah, when the dance starts in a moment, I'll probably go in and maybe just video a little bit of it.
Just gets better and better. Our next group up, and that is our group from Barn Door Studios. So can we see the group from Barn Door Studios in place? Thank you. Yeah, and this is Dennis now with his group. Hi Dennis. And once again, we're going to see two dances from our group. And their first dance is the waltz. Look at that. Talk about style and elegance. Yeah, and well deserved too, yeah. Now the next one up for this group, again, cha-cha-cha. Let's see our cha-cha goes. Oh, hold on. Now, because they were so good, we need one more dance. Yeah. An encore. What do you think of that choreography? I'll tell you what, it was all packed in there.
Nessa.
I think that's when you say you smashed it, isn't it? Yeah.